Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. Today's Halloween look is going to be on this cute pink rabbit or bunny look. And for my brows, I started off using the Watermelon Soda JeffreeStar Liquid Lipstick with this eyeshadow shade from the Take Me Back to Brazil BH Cosmetics palette. And then I'm using the paint pot in its shade Soft Ochre as the base for my eyeshadow as usual. I love it and I'm starting to finally run out of it after 2 years. Like, it's so good for the price. And it's my favorite to use as the base. And I'm going to go in with Rivera and taking this pink shade, I'm going to pack this on and also blend it onto my crease. And I'm just going to make it longer than usual because I'm going to create a wing cut crease. And so yeah, I'm just going to pack it on and keep blending until it looks very good and up to like my expectation. And then I will go ahead and use the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and going in with this shade in the palette, I'm going to use it as like the transition shade and use that to soften out the dark pink color that I just applied on, and then just gently blend it out closer up to my eyebrows. And to cut my crease, I'm going with the Stila Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Sunset Cove. And I'm just going to use the, the applicator in here and just gently use that to create the cut crease. It's very easy and it's so pigmented. I love this liquid eyeshadow by Stila. It's my favorite. I own like a whole set from them and it's my favorite because my sister gave it to me and I've just been obsessed ever since. So yeah, I'm just going to use this shade to create the wing cut crease. Moving on, I'm going to use the NYX liquid eyeliner as usual. It's my favorite. I'm going to be using that to create the wing liner for this look. And after I create the wing liner, I'm also going to use it for the inner corner of my eye to create like the cat eye effect. It's like another little, I don't know, point in the middle. I can't really explain it. You'll see after I draw it. And then after I do this, I'm just going to apply my mascara by L'Oreal, and this is the Voluminous Mascara. And then I'm also going to use the lashes by Kiss, and they're in the style Teddy. And after that, I'm going to use the NYX liquid liner in white to draw under my waterline and follow that all the way up to the wing that I just created with the black eyeliner. And this will be making my eye look a little bit more bigger and more poppier. And then next, I'm just going to use the liquid eyeliner again, the black one, and I'm just going to trace it underneath the white liner I just created, and then create like about 4 to 5 lashes with it as well. Moving on to make the nose part of my tutorial, I'm going to use the paint that I bought from Walmart, and this is like the turbo white paint that I was using for my last tutorial, but somehow it did better on top of like foundation. And so I'm just going to apply this all over the upper lips, and then I'm focusing it on my nose and around like my cheeks a little bit. And I'm just going to create like a nice teardrop shape, and that's how I'm going to do with the paint. And then moving on to lips, I'm going to use this shade Diva by JeffreeStar Liquid Lipstick, and you apply that for my top lip. And for the bottom lip, I'm going to use the shade Birthday Suit and apply that for my bottom. And then I'm also going to go back with the shade Diva, the liquid lipstick, and draw my nose with that and create a heart. This liquid lipstick was drying out, so I was trying my best to fully create the heart and all that because it's a beautiful, nice pink shade. And after I do that, I'll go back with the black liquid liner and trace the heart, and then create the lip for the rabbit or bunny and connect it to my lips. Tracing the heart was kind of difficult just because I didn't want to ruin my pink heart that I just created. I was like really nervous that what if I I'll draw it or I ruin the shape of the heart because of how beautiful it was that I just created, and then I was trying to get it perfect. But anyway, I actually did good, and then I just used that tip of the point of the heart and used that as the visual line to draw to connect to my lips. And then I'm going to draw these little, I'll just call them freckles or whatever, on the area of the paint that I just put on. And then I'll also draw whiskers with the liner as well. And I'll also do it with the white liner too, just so that it creates a nicer effect, because it's actually like a white bunny, but I wanted to add the black on it to make it look even more cuter and cartoonistic, if that's even a word. And so yeah, I'm just going to use my white liner to draw more whiskers, and my white liner was running out as well. I really need to stock up, guys. I just love making makeup tutorials and Halloween tutorials. I never have time to go shopping, and so yeah, I'm running out of a lot of things. But then yeah, after adding this white whisker with the black whisker, it looked super cute. Moving on to blush, I'm just going to use this rosy shade in the holiday collection I bought from Tarte a few years ago, and just apply this onto my cheeks and close to my cheekbones. And this is going to add a little blush to the look, and I just found it really cute. And moving on, I'm just going to use the same liquid eyeliner that I just used and create little hair strokes on top of my eyebrows. And this is to create the fur effect for the bunny's eyes. And I just thought this part was just so cute. It added more cute designs to the look. And then for highlighting under my brows, I'm going in with the James Charles palette and taking that shimmery shade to just highlight my underbrows and give it more color, and I definitely love it. I also use it for my inner corner too. And then the look is complete, so I hope you guys enjoy this cute Halloween tutorial. I'll see you guys in my next coming up tutorials. I love you guys so much, and thank you for watching again.